Module 3, Color Theory and Composition. Understanding color theory and color modes. Understanding color theory and color modes is an essential aspect of digital art. Here's a brief overview of color theory and color modes. Color theory. Color theory is the study of how colors interact with each other. It involves understanding concepts such as hue, saturation, brightness, and contrast. These elements can be combined to create a wide range of colors and color schemes, which can be used to create effective and harmonious compositions. Color modes. Color modes refer to the different ways in which colors are represented in digital art software. The most common color modes are RGB, CMYK, and grayscale. 1. RGB, red, green, blue. RGB is an additive color mode used for digital displays, such as computer monitors, TVs, and projectors. It combines three primary colors, red, green, and blue, to create a wide range of colors. RGB values are represented by numbers between 0 and 255, with 0 being the absence of the color and 255 being the maximum intensity of the color. 2. CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black. CMYK is a subtractive color mode used for print media, such as magazines, books, and newspapers. It combines four colors, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, to create a wide range of colors. CMYK values are represented by percentages of ink coverage, with 0% being the absence of the color and 100% being the maximum ink coverage. 3. Grayscale. Grayscale is a color mode that represents images using only shades of gray. It is often used for black and white images or for creating a more subtle and understated effect. Understanding color theory and color modes is crucial for creating effective and visually appealing digital art. By using different color combinations and understanding how colors interact with each other, you can create artwork that is both aesthetically pleasing and emotionally impactful. Creating a color palette. Creating a color palette is an essential part of digital art. It involves selecting a set of colors that complement each other and can be used consistently throughout your artwork. Here are some tips for creating a color palette. 1. Choose a primary color. Start by selecting a primary color that will be the dominant color in your artwork. This color will set the tone for the rest of your palette. 2. Consider complementary colors. Complementary colors are colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel, such as red and green, blue and orange, or yellow and purple. Using complementary colors in your palette can create a sense of balance and harmony. 3. Use shades and tints. Shades and tints are variations of a color that are created by adding black or white to the base color. Using shades and tints can create depth and dimension in your artwork. 4. Use analogous colors. Analogous colors are colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, such as blue, green, and yellow. Using analogous colors can create a sense of unity and coherence in your artwork. 5. Consider the mood and tone. Think about the mood and tone you want to convey in your artwork. Warm colors, such as red, orange, and yellow, can create a sense of energy and excitement, while cool colors, such as blue, green, and purple, can create a sense of calm and relaxation. 6. Experiment and refine. Once you have a basic color palette, experiment with different combinations and refine your choices until you have a set of colors that work well together and create the mood and tone you are looking for. Creating a color palette can be a fun and rewarding part of the digital art process. By selecting a set of colors that work well together and reflect your artistic vision, you can create artwork that is both visually appealing and emotionally impactful. Using color to convey mood and emotion. Colors have a powerful impact on the human brain and can be used to convey different moods and emotions in artwork. Here are some common associations of colors with different moods and emotions. 1. Red. This color is often associated with passion, love, anger, and energy. It can be used to convey a sense of urgency or importance. 2. Orange. Orange is often associated with warmth, enthusiasm, and excitement. It can be used to create a sense of playfulness or optimism. 3. Yellow. Yellow is often associated with happiness, optimism, and energy. It can be used to create a sense of positivity and joy. 4. Green. Green is often associated with nature, growth, and harmony. It can be used to create a sense of calm and balance. 5. Blue. Blue is often associated with tranquility, calmness, and trustworthiness. It can be used to create a sense of relaxation or serenity. 6. Purple. Purple is often associated with creativity, mystery, and royalty. It can be used to create a sense of magic or sophistication. 7. Pink. Pink is often associated with romance, sweetness, and femininity. It can be used to create a sense of innocence or playfulness. 8. Black. Black is often associated with power, sophistication, and elegance. It can be used to create a sense of drama or mystery. 9. White. White is often associated with purity, innocence, and cleanliness. It can be used to create a sense of simplicity or clarity. When selecting colors to convey a specific mood or emotion in artwork, it's important to consider both the individual associations of each color as well as the overall effect of the color palette. By selecting colors that work well together and reflect the mood and emotion you want to convey, you can create artwork that is both visually impactful and emotionally resonant. Composition techniques and visual hierarchy. Composition techniques and visual hierarchy are important in creating effective and aesthetically pleasing artwork. Here are some techniques for creating a strong composition and visual hierarchy. 1. Rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a basic principle of composition that involves dividing the canvas into thirds both vertically and horizontally. The points where the lines intersect are called the power points, and placing important elements of the composition at these points can create a visually balanced and pleasing image. 2. Balance. Balance is important in creating a harmonious composition. There are 3 types of balance: symmetrical balance, asymmetrical balance, and radial balance. Symmetrical balance involves placing elements evenly on both sides of the canvas, while asymmetrical balance involves placing elements of different sizes and shapes in a way that creates balance. Radial balance involves placing elements around a central point. 3. Contrast. Contrast can be used to create visual interest and draw the viewer's eye to important elements in the composition. Contrast can be created through differences in color, value, texture, shape, and size. 4. Repetition. Repetition can create a sense of unity and coherence in the composition. Repetition can be used with shapes, colors, patterns, and other elements. 5. Scale and proportion. Scale and proportion are important in creating a sense of depth and space in the composition. Using different scales and proportions can create a sense of distance and size in the artwork. 6. Visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchy is the arrangement of elements in the composition to create a sense of importance and priority. This can be achieved through differences in size, placement, and color. By using these techniques, artists can create visually compelling and effective compositions that draw the viewer's eye to important elements and create a sense of balance and harmony.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.